So, got some bad news. About 2 months ago, I got into an accident, and it left my car looking like a crumpled can. It kind of sucks, but at least it was just the bumper and the taillight. Unfortunately, the guy was a hit and run driver, and that's why it took a whole 2 months to get this taken care of. But the good news is it's taken care of. So now we can take you through the whole process of actually repairing the car. So I'm going to go ahead and take on the challenge myself, and I'm going to show you exactly what it takes to fix your own car. All right, so let's get to it.
The first thing I want to do is take the car apart and check the body for damage. A messed up frame could make this project a lot more expensive. Lucky for us, there's only some bending on the body under the taillight that can be easily popped out with some strategically placed hits on the metal. The only visible part of the car that'll need bodywork is the trunk lid. There's a dent at the top and at the front of the lid that can be straightened out. Then we'll only need to apply filler and repaint it. We can finally set our budget confidently now that we know how much bodywork the car actually needs. So the next thing we're going to need to do is hunt down parts and, unfortunately, deal with people who all seem to hate their dang jobs.
The rear bumper for a 2008 Miata.
We don't have rear bumper for Miatas.
Bumper for a Miata 2008? No? Okay, thank you. We're looking for a 2008 Miata bumper. No? Let's see if parts is open. How's it going, man? Looking for a bumper for an '08 Miata.
Nothing over $5, okay?
Aye, this guy.
Give him the drawing.
Yeah. Print it out.
Yeah,
there you go.
And you can hold it for an hour.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you right now, you gotta sit down first so I can tell you why you haven't found it.
Uh-oh.
643.62.
Little over $5, man, but
I placed the order yesterday. The bumper is on its way. The bumper is set to arrive tomorrow, so I'm borrowing my dad's truck so we can load it up and bring it over. Yep, this is definitely it.
Alright, so let's unbox her. Yeah, buddy. Woo!
With the bumper on hand, we can now use it to make sure everything lines up perfectly. But that's going to have to wait for another video. For now, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, and also hit that bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Alright, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.